Hey folks, this is freaking Uncle Pauly again. How you Jews guys doing, huh? Hey, I'm guest hosting for freaking Dr. Dennis, the wellness doc, because he had some freaking important business to take care of. Alright, so we had a nice conversation yesterday about freaking drop sets and really awesome stuff. Today we're going to do the opposite. We're going to talk about ascending sets, freaking going up there. Alright? And just to let you guys know, me and the doc did a freaking awesome podcast last night, and actually now it's on Shopify. So I will leave you the freaking link in the description box below. Alright, let's get right to it. So yesterday the freaking drop sets, we went from freaking heavy to medium to light. What do you think we're going to freaking do today with ascending sets? We're going to go light to freaking medium to freaking heavy. Alright? What are you going to get if you freaking do this? Well, let's talk about it. Because you know what? We're on the freaking East Coast and we don't do something for nothing. You know what I mean? Alright, let's get right to it. Number one, we're going to prevent a freaking plateau. We talked about that yesterday. If you freaking forgot, you can watch the other video from yesterday. Alright? Secondly, you're going to increase your freaking healing if you had an injury. Hey, you know what? Let's just be honest with each other's. Yous and us, right? When you train for a while, you're going to have freaking injuries in your lifetime, especially freaking 30 years. Alright? It's going to help with freaking circulation, you know, the pipes, the freaking blood vessels in your body. It's going to increase the freaking temperature because that warms up all the freaking muscles and the connections, you know, your freaking tendons and ligaments, all that kind of stuff. You know what I mean? And then it's going to help open up your freaking lymphatic system where all the garbage hangs out. It's going to flush it out. So what does that do? Well, when you flush it out, the cells become nice and freaking healthy, so then they can repair themselves and get super freaking strong. Like the Incredible Hulk. Anyway. That's my favorite superhero. And by the way, his cells regenerate, which, that's why I said that. Alright, so let's get right to it. Set number one. Going to use a relatively lightweight 15-20 reps. Okay? Set number two, you're going to go about 10-12 reps with a little bit heavier weight, low bit. And set number three, you're going to go a little bit heavier for about 6 to 10, depending on what your goal is. So here's what I mean. Here's how I'm going to clarify. 6 to 8 if you're looking to get freaking stronger, let's say for competition in Olympic weightlifting, something like that. 8 to 10 if you just want to keep your freaking strength, let's say you're playing sport like ice hockey or football throughout the season, alright? It's not too much, it's not too little, it's a good amount. Remember from freaking yesterday, no rest period, so this is like bang, 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 1, 2, 3. Alright, then you rest about 30-45 seconds, and then you go 1, 2, 3 again. And then you rest again, and then the last one you want to shoot for 3 sets of these freaking giant sets. 1, 2, 3, you know, and you're done. You could probably knock out 9 sets in about 5 minutes. That's what I'm talking about. And as I said yesterday, I recommended do not do this every freaking workout. You want to do this about every 8 to 10, you know, beast mode workouts. Alright? Let's keep it short and sweet. I'm going to do another freaking podcast with the doc this evening. And I will make sure that we make sure for you that you have the information so that you can keep getting stronger and freaking optimizing everything, whether you're an athlete or not. Whether you're active or not. But I'll tell you right now, you start training like this, you're going to get great results. Okay? God bless. See you all very soon. And like the doc says, the goal of this channel is to provide hope, encouragement, support, and specialized education so that you can be the freaking best that you can be. And just as a side note, I wrote everything out in the back behind me, but also put that same information in the description box below. Okay, have a great day. Talk to you soon.